How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply use PS3 on a laptop plus audio and HDMI. Now, we need an external tool in order to achieve this. It's going to be the HDMI capture card, and simply with this one, it will also actually capture the audio itself. So you want to grab yourself one of these devices right here, and then you just want to plug the USB port onto your laptop, and the HDMI port will be coming from the actual PS3, which is going to be this one. So you want to find your HDMI right here, plug it onto your PlayStation 3, and plug the other end onto the video capture card. Right after, our laptop will then get the information coming from the actual PS3. So you could then get yourself something like OBS right here in order to simply view the actual display. So in my case, I'm not going to be doing too much because I'm actually using the OBS as a recorder. Sorry for stuttering. And from here, you then want to do something like adding a new source. You then want to click on the display capture, and under display, you then want to look for the PS3 right here. So it's going to be this one. In my case, I have two monitors, so I could select two, but most likely your PS3 will then show up right here. And if not, you will be able to see your capture card on this section. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.